My name is David. I grew up in a poor family. My dad was a mechanic, and my mom worked 2 jobs just to keep food on the table. Even then, some days we barely made it. I remember going to school with old shoes and feeling embarrassed. We never had much, but my parents always told me, "Keep going, work hard, things will get better." After high school, I couldn't afford college. So I took a job as a janitor at a tech company. I cleaned floors, bathrooms, and emptied trash cans. Every day, I saw people working behind computers, doing things I didn't understand. But I was curious. I wanted to learn. During my lunch breaks, I used an old laptop I bought cheap from a friend. I sat in the corner of the break room and watched free tutorials online: how to code, how business works, how apps are made. One day, while cleaning someone's desk, I accidentally left behind a paper where I'd written some ideas to improve their app. Honestly, I forgot all about it. The next day, the developer found me and said, "Hey, did you write this?" I was nervous, but I said yes. He smiled and said, "These are really good." A week later, he invited me to sit in on one of their meetings, just to watch and listen. I didn't say a word. I just took notes, went home, and looked up everything they talked about. After that, things started to change. A few months later, they gave me a small internship. I still worked as a janitor, but now I was also learning and helping out with tech projects. I didn't care about the title. I just wanted to grow. Years went by. I became a junior developer, then a full developer, then a team leader. 10 years after I started cleaning those floors, I became the CEO. Yeah, the same company where I used to scrub toilets? I now run it. People ask me how it happened. It wasn't luck. It wasn't money. It was because I showed up. Every day. I stayed curious. I stayed humble. I didn't give up. So if you're starting at the bottom right now, don't feel ashamed. Just keep going. Even small steps take you far, as long as you don't stop walking. Your story isn't over. Maybe it's just getting started. Keep showing up. Your moment will come.